Hey guys, welcome back to the Auto Hound. We are here in Florence, Italy. Yes, and we're going over to Bologna. We're going to check out the Pagani factory, the Lamborghini factory, and the Ferrari factory, maybe not in that order. However, I'm super excited, so welcome aboard.
All right, everybody. So welcome to the Lamborghini Museum. Oh, big truck going by. So over here, and then over there, up on the second floor. We're gonna go see all those cars today. This is a 1963 Lamborghini 300 GT. This is the very first Lamborghini ever built. This is number 1. This is Ferruccio Lamborghini's actual car. 350 GT. That's his license plate. This is his car. Number 1, the very first Lamborghini ever to be built. This over here, well, we all know what this is. This is the Lamborghini Urus. I love the gold color. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Now I'm being very careful, obviously. We're in a museum. I don't want to get too close to the cars. But just look at how gorgeous this is. It's just priceless. Next to it is the Lamborghini Espada. The Espada is a 4-door Lamborghini. In my opinion, not the prettiest Lamborghini. And then this is the one that started the Lamborghini craze in America. Countach, excuse me. Look at this. This is insane. And over here, Lamborghini Helpa. Correction, Lamborghini Huracan. This is the Lamborghini Huracan. This is Lamborghini LM002, the first beast Lamborghini. Here we are in the upstairs of the Lamborghini factory. We're going to start off with the cheap cars, right? This is the Diablo GT. This right here is the SV LP670. Here is the Performante LP570 with the top spider. Look at this beautiful, beautiful orange. It's like a muted orange car. Wow. And this really cool Aventador SGVJ. Here's a Urus. You guys know how I feel about those. Cool race car. Look at this. The Lamborghini Verventon. What a beautiful car. You've seen this on my channel. If you like it, comment, subscribe. This is the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. I've never seen one before. Gorgeous car. Look at the inside. You can actually see the frame of the car as part of the dashboard. Over here, oh yeah, this right here, have you seen this one before? I bet you haven't. This is the Veneno. Look at this. This is insanity. Truly amazing. Look at how the side strakes come in, coming up the side. You can almost reach in. I won't. It tells you all your race modes right there. Unbelievable. Over here, yeah, this is the Centenario, excuse me. Lamborghini Centenario. I've never seen one before. I never saw that before, but this is also unbelievable. Look at this. And over here, I'm getting to it, folks. You know what I'm going after in a minute. Oh, sorry, in a minute. This is the Lamborghini Sian. The gold accents. Gorgeous car. And I love this little detail, how they have the wings. And lastly, yeah, this is a new Countach. A new Lamborghini Countach. Look at this. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Every bit of this car looks Countach. They did the old one justice, that's for sure. Look at the tailpipes. I just like to have this as your garage. Look at this. Unbelievable.
If you like this type of content, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and remember, it's about the drive.